Okay, this might be one of the coolest camera features we've seen all year. A brand new hands-on leak of the rumored Insta360 Luna Ultra just revealed something absolutely wild, a fully detachable wireless display that can actually control the camera in real time. And honestly, this changes everything. At first glance, the Luna Ultra already looked like another premium pocket gimbal camera designed to compete directly with the DJI Pocket lineup. But after seeing this leaked demo, it's becoming very clear that Insta360 is trying to do something very different here. This is not just a tiny camera with a screen attached. The display literally detaches from the body, and once it's removed, it instantly transforms into a live wireless remote monitor. And the craziest part? According to the hands-on demo, there is basically zero visible latency. You can control the gimbal movement left and right, tilt it up and down, monitor the live feed, zoom in and out using the rocker switch, and even start recording directly from the detachable display. That is seriously impressive for a pocket-sized camera. Normally, wireless monitoring systems introduce some delay, especially on compact creator devices. But this demo makes the Luna Ultra feel almost like a miniature professional cinema setup packed into your pocket. And honestly, this solves one of the biggest frustrations creators have with compact cameras. When you place a camera somewhere hard to reach, maybe on a tripod, mounted inside a car, or filming yourself from a distance, monitoring and controlling the shot becomes annoying very quickly. But with this detachable screen, you can literally walk around while controlling the camera remotely in real time. That opens up huge possibilities for solo creators, vloggers, travel filmmakers, and even mobile content production teams. The leaked footage also reveals how polished the experience already looks. The screen appears bright, responsive, and incredibly smooth. Opening the display instantly wakes the camera with almost no delay. Closing it powers things down immediately. That level of responsiveness matters more than people realize because it makes the entire camera feel fast and premium. And then there's the part we still don't fully know yet. The person demonstrating the camera specifically mentioned there are things they cannot talk about yet, including some very interesting frame rates, resolutions, and zoom capabilities. That usually means there are still hidden features under NDA that have not officially been revealed. And honestly, that's what makes this leak so exciting. Because if the detachable wireless monitor already works this well, there's a very good chance Insta360 is preparing something much bigger behind the scenes. This could end up being far more than just another pocket camera competitor. It could become one of the most creator-focused compact cameras we've seen in years. Especially if Insta360 combines this wireless control system with strong stabilization, high frame rate recording, advanced tracking, and premium image quality. Now, of course, we should still be careful because this is based on early hands-on footage and pre-release information. Features can still change before launch. But first impressions? Honestly, this thing looks incredibly promising. The detachable display alone gives the Luna Ultra a unique identity that instantly separates it from almost every other compact creator camera on the market right now. So now I want to hear your opinion. Would you actually use a detachable wireless display like this for content creation, or do you still prefer a traditional built-in screen setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your creator friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in